Okay, let's play. I've got my watercolours here. Besides my watercolours, I am going to use some ink, Art Spectrum, black. I'm also going to use my granulation medium, which is by Winsor & Newton. I've popped my ink in a little container so that I can easily get to it. Okay, I'm going to tell you the colours as I use them. I'm definitely using Daniel Smith colours. I love them. I love them for their transparency, their intense colours, and many of them are granulating, which I love, as most of you will know. So I've got my paper ready, which is 300 GSM watercolour paper. And I am going to do another quickie landscape for you, showing you that a quickie landscape can definitely be done in 5 minutes. So this one is going to be much stronger colours than the last one, and give you an idea of what you can do with these landscapes. So I'm going to first of all to use phthalo turquoise, and I'm making a nice transparent mix, and I am going to put in the sky, and again we'll go with that sloped landscape scene. I love phthalo turquoise, one of my all-time favourite colours. I might throw a little bit of indigo in there just to add some moodiness. My board is on a slight slope. I'm again going to take that phthalo turquoise, and I'm going to do the land area, leaving a line on the horizon line, just like the last video I did for you. Bringing all that colour down to the bottom. Now, another colour I love, as you all know, is quinacridone gold deep. That's another Daniel Smith colour, of course. So I'm just making up a mix of that, and here we go. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Going to make that just that little bit stronger. It's already started to granulate. Hardly need the ink, but I want the ink because it's going to add some lovely tone to the work. On with the ink along that horizon line. Don't worry if it touches into the one above, that's fine. In fact, we'll just make it do that here and there. A little bit more ink. Now I'm going to take my granulation medium, and I'm using a little, what I call a pipette. You could use a string, you could even use a syringe rather, or you could even use just your brush to drop some of that granulation medium into that horizon line. I'm going to tilt my board. Just allowing that colour to start to granulate and just sink into the paper and allow those granulations to happen. I'm going to go back in with my quinacridone gold. I'm tilting so that it's running down this way. Just adding some of those colours to these trees at the top. That's the quinacridone gold still. Okay, letting that run. So it's actually bleeding out absolutely beautifully. I'm going to now start to again use a toothpick and put some of these tree trunks into the work. You can also start to, if you like, to add some branches, just scratching in. And again down here. And I think we're done. All that I need to do now is remove the tape. And the same on the other side. And I'm going to turn this board over and just show you this landscape on its own without the little bits that have overflowed. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love, love, love those colours together, don't you? Can you see those gorgeous granulations? There you go. I hope you enjoyed it. Love you to subscribe to see more videos. Like my videos and hopefully share. You have a great day. Bye.